Next question is, brother. It's one of the most important question for everyone, and please answer us for better learning English. Okay. My question is, if anyone would like to be a fluent speaker in English, how is it possible? What's your opinion, brother?
Oh, if you wanna become a fluent speaker in English, how is it possible? Yeah, obviously it's so nice for beginner. First of all, we have to think that it's a language. First of all, you have to think it's language. Practice continuously. English is a proverb that practice maximum perfect. Just practice, practice, practice. You have to focus on your practice. And after practicing, you have to become shameless. You have to become shameless. If you become shameless, at the time it's possible. Actually, when you will start when you will start the English spoken, at that time you will make a lot of mistake. But if you think that if I'm making mistake, so it is not possible for me, I'll not be able to achieve my goal. Just in this way, if you think, it will never possible for you, because of there are a lot of students in our country who are reading in university, college. I mean, good side, but they have they don't know how to speak in English, but they have grammar knowledge. They don't know how to speak in English. Grammar knowledge is good. I saw that grammar knowledge is good, but you have to focus on practice. Practice. Try to say it. If it become mistake, it doesn't matter. Just try to say, try to practice continuously, again and again, again and again, again and again. Try to practice. It will be easy, because of, if you think that if I use wrong sentence, the other people will say that it's illiterate, it's not perfect. Actually, after 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, if you practice continuously, you'll become a fluent speaker. Inshallah, inshallah, inshallah. Just practice, focus on your practice. Practice, practice, practice maximum. That's all, brother. It's my opinion regarding this.